These days, people struggle with too much data. We call this concept information overload. This information overload actually makes decision making very tough for businesses. That's where data mining comes in. Okay, let's see what is data mining. Actually, this is a key part of data science that all of the businesses need it, because in this field we convert raw data that we have from customers or whatever data that we have, and we want to transform and convert that data from which is raw to something useful and actionable. So this is like a bridge to convert raw data to useful and actionable data. And after that, we can make better decisions based on this converted data. This is how it works. So, where to begin and how to start, especially for people that are new in this field? Well, I know. I suggest you to read Data Mining 101 book, which is a comprehensive guide that can give you a head start to understand this concept and digest it very well, and later on you can apply it to your business. But wait, let me show you the chapters which are included in this book. We need to go to amazon.com, and then from the search bar we need to choose Kindle Store from the drop down menu, and after that we need to type Data Mining 101. And as you can see, probably the first link comes in. There's a blue book, Data Mining 101 by Ardishi Shojai, that you can see. And after that you can check the sample. You can click on read sample, and you can take a look at the chapters that are available, which are importance of the data mining, objectives of the review, core concepts in data mining. Later on we have data mining algorithms, challenges, and more importantly, applications.